She has finally killed my only friend.
Mama is good.
Killed my only friend. My only friend. Maggie, I want you. I told you that this girl is evil. I told you that this girl is evil. But you didn't listen to me. Now you're no more. You have killed her. Ebola is only care. It's okay. Maggie, when I say now she has killed her. Mama, now she come and say, Mama, you've killed her. Come on, I'm your hand. Okay, take it easy. In a baba. Hey!
Well, I got this for you. Open it.
Oh my!
Tell me you like.
I love it, baby. Thank you. I love it. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What would I do without you?
Nothing. Words cannot express how much I love you.
Let me look at the bag.
One for the road.
I know. Oh my, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Sabi, what are you still doing here? You have succeeded in killing her. Or do you want to kill everyone in this community before you leave? Sabi Ngwangwa, leave my side now! Singapore! Okay, don't worry, just wait. You go back to that street where she picked you up from.
I don't have anywhere to go to.
Oh yeah.
I don't know anybody. Please.
Oh yeah. I said, Mama, don't know. You need to hear everybody before you go. Come on, go.
Mama, what is this?
Let's go. Leave this place.
Mama.
Go.
I don't know where to go to.
You don't know where to go to. Enter the street. You don't know where she picked you from. Chidera!
Mama, please.
Anywhere you know you can put your head, go there and stay. I don't want to see you anywhere around here. I don't want to see you.
Sabi, what are you doing here by this time? Auntie Agnes threw me out of the house. Please, can I spend the night in your house?
Who is this? And what is happening here?
Oh, please. Auntie Agnes threw me out of the house. Can she spend the night here?
Get inside. Get inside! And you, leave this compound. And don't you ever step your feet in this compound again.
Mama, I don't have anywhere to go. Please, help me.
Then go to your house.
Mama,
Sabi, go back to your house. I will not allow an asthmatic patient into my house. Or do you want to infect my family with your asthma? Huh? Then leave.
please. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't know anybody.
Sabi, leave my compound. Leave my compound.
I got an email from Meridia Homes as regards to our request. Guess what? It has been approved.
Wow!
And the meeting has been scheduled with their project manager for Thursday.
You're insane! No, seriously?
The Lord's doing.
Wow! This is good news.
Indeed.
See what you're gonna do, alright?
Okay.
Put everything together.
Okay.
I wouldn't want anything to make us lose this deal.
Oh, come on, you can count on me.
We just cannot lose this one.
You can count on me.
Congratulations, bro. Wow!
Yes, bro.
Hey, Namo, this is fantastic. Eh? I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
You know what this means? It means that the money I am paying for your school fees is not in vain.
Mama, God forbid I will make you spend money in vain. I will never try it. I will always take the first position in my class or anywhere I find myself. Have you forgotten I want to be a medical doctor when I grow up? So that I can take care of you and treat myself too.
Hey, it's such a wonderful prayer. And I'm just praying that God will give me enough money to take care of you so that you will study to the highest level of education that you want to attain.
Mama, don't worry about that one. I'll participate in competitions so that I can win scholarship.
You know what?
I already had that planned out. So by the time I win the scholarship, I will travel with you to Ebube Obio.
Yeah, but I can't do it. Hey, we move, Mama. We move. Ah, that's a good one.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. So
Thank
proud
you,
of
Mama.
you. Hey,
Let me go and keep it.
okay, you know your file now.
Yes.
Put it in your file. Oh, hey, wow, so bolo, my special child. Obodo Igbo. Ngaka gosigo no mgbe nwa.
So this is how I will die here. Nobody to talk to. Nowhere to go to. This is how I will just die.
Gentlemen, hey! The man, Alex!
Thank you for
Alex.
What's up, how is it? How are you doing?
We're good.
Please have a seat.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, you can just put that out.
Of course. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Hope you didn't find it difficult tracing this place.
No, not at all.
We just had to put in the mark.
Yes. Thanks for coming.
Seems like you have a company.
Yeah, although she's about leaving.
The bag looks like my wife's bag.
Oh, come on, man. There are thousands of these bags out there in the market. Anyone could have one. Come on.
Are you saying your wife is here?
Hell no! My wife should be in her office.
Philip and his wife.
Yeah, so shall we get to the business of the day?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. Oh, yes. Right here.
Yeah, well, I've gone through them with the soft copy.
Okay.
Yeah, but before we proceed, I think I have to take it to the Ministry of Land for document authenticity. All right? And then after that, we can proceed with the collaboration signing.
So this procedure, how long would it take to be finalized?
Just less than 3 weeks.
Well, good enough. Yeah, because we have put in a lot of work in this.
Yes.
We counted on you.
Of course, you can count on me. You see, Merida Homes is one of the leading real estate companies in the country. We've done huge deals in the past, and this will not be an exception. So, rest assured, we're going to kill it.
Thank you. So we leave that with you, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice doing business.
My brother.
Man.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, babe.
What was the meaning of that? First of all, you didn't tell me you were going to have a meeting here. And what was that? Were you trying to set me up with my husband?
Excuse me? What are you talking about?
The two men who just walked out of here, the one in black shirt is my husband.
Listen, I honestly had no idea he is your husband. I mean, I'm just seeing him for the first time in my whole life. I only invited them here for a business meeting, and that's exactly what we had. No wonder he talked about you back.
He did?
Doctor, how is she? She's fine, though she's unconscious, but out of danger.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If I may ask, where is she?
Well, just a random girl I almost ran over. She started having a seizure, so I decided to bring her to the hospital.
Seizure, you say?
Yeah.
That wasn't seizure. She's asthmatic.
What?
And we really need to reach out to her people because I believe they should be looking for her by now.
Yes, doctor.
All the same, you just have to wait for her to wake up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see her.
No problem.
Yes, I bought her some few items.
All right, I will join you very soon. Let me get something.
Mabel, how could you? How could you? I warned you about this, didn't I? Huh? Oh my God. Just look at what you have done to yourself. Mabel.
God, what have I done to myself? What have I done? What have I done? You know I did not just do this because I wanted to do it, right? It was because of my present situation.
That is not enough reason for you to cheat on your husband. What were you thinking? Huh? What? Where is he now?
I don't know, honestly, I don't know. I don't even know what's my fate right now. I don't know.
Bill.
I'm finished. Do you think Philip will ever forgive me?
Bill. I warned you. I was telling you about this, but you were forming Jagaba. You were forming like you know it all. Now look at it now. Ha! What do we do now? What do we do?
Believe me, I don't know what pushed me into this thought. A lot of thoughts have been going on in my head, so I decided to to try someone else if I would be able to get pregnant. I know what I am about to tell you now. You may not even believe me. I may sound stupid, but it is the truth. I didn't do anything with him. Nothing. I just got there. I was still trying to contemplate if I can do this or not when you people arrived there, and I ran into the bathroom. Only to come out to tell him that I'm not doing anything. Then you bashed in on us. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is nothing, Sabi. Absolutely nothing. I'm happy you're back on your feet.
Sir, please, I don't want you to leave me here. I want to follow you to your house. I can be doing anything for you. I can clean, wash, do anything. Please.
Well, Sabi, your story is quite a pathetic one, and I'll do everything and anything to help you.
Thank you, sir. But my clothes is in one uncompleted building. I don't know how we can go there and get it.
Don't worry about the clothes, okay? I'll replace them. As far as they are replaceable, I'll definitely replace them.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yes, hop in.
I'm fine. Who is she?
Good evening, ma.
That's Sabi. Yeah, she'll be staying with us.
Excuse me? Staying with who?
Oh, honey, we need to talk in the room, okay? Come, Sabi, make yourself comfortable.
Well,
I'm very sorry, my love. But you see, after taking her to the hospital, cause I almost ran her over the other day.
What?
Yes, my love, you see, after hearing her stories, blah, 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 and so you see, I couldn't just leave the little girl on the street, so I had to bring her home.
I don't understand. She doesn't have a family?
Well, she lost her mother some few weeks ago and her aunt threw her out of the house.
That's the more reason you shouldn't bring her to the house. She may be some sort of bad omen, you know.
My love, I beg to disagree. You see, my instincts tell me something different. Have you thought about a situation whereby she might just be the open door, you know? Her presence might just be the open door to us having our own child. Yes, see, there's a saying that the presence of a child begets another.
Oh, please. I don't believe in all that nonsense.
Hold up. My love, I beg you to give me some time to figure out what next to do. Alright?
That's exactly what you should do. Because I don't want her staying in this house longer than necessary. Thank you.
Okay, Auntie.
Not on your life. Who is your auntie? Who is your auntie? I'm asking, don't you ever try that rubbish again. Hurry up, take these things outside, wash it. Once you're done, come back and let me know so I give you another chores to attend to.
Okay, Ma.
Come on, hurry.
Door who? You expect me to come down and open the door for you? You don't have common sense? If you have one, use it. Come open the door and take the clothes out yourself. Stupid.
Johnny. That one piece there is for who? Your head. Will you come back and shut that door?
The CSC contract has been approved. Yes, yes. Okay, I need to be at the office to sign some documents, right? It's all good. It's all good. I'll be there. I'll be there. Oh, see, Tori. You see, after our meeting with Mr. Bassi, I sincerely thought that, we've lost out on the contract.
Don't mind that, no see, Homo sapien. You see, there were proofs that we did a very good job and we deserve the contract.
Oh yeah, you can say that again.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Alex.
Yeah, can we have the inspection done today?
Yes, we can. We can. Let's meet, let's say 10 a.m.
I'll see you at 10.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Who's that?
Mr. Alex, the Merida home guy.
Okay.
It seems our contract with them was clicked. He just called for inspection.
You see?
I didn't tell you.
What's up with today? Like 2 deals in a day?
Amazing, right?
Who does that? No, let me talk. Whoa!
Are you done?
No, ma, but I'm hungry. And I need to rest a bit before I continue.
I need to get you right. You are hungry and you need to rest a bit before you continue.
Your permission now.
No problem. What you do is you will wait, I'll go inside, dish your food, I'll serve you, eat very well, relax, rest very well. When you think you're okay, you will continue. Alright? Sabi, Sabi. Sabi, Sabi. You want to eat and rest, right? Does it look like I'm running a charity organization in this house? Does it? My friend, go back there and wash those clothes neatly. And if you don't finish, don't come inside. If you make an inch to come in here and ask me for food again, I will throw you outside the gate. It's like you don't even know how light you are. Go and wash those clothes. Think I'm your mother.
How are you? You look...
Thank you. Baby.
Yes.
You went shopping?
Oh, yes, baby. Baby, guess what?
Just tell me.
You remember the CIC contract I told you about? The one I thought I had lost?
Yeah, I remember.
Check me out, sweetheart. Deal signed and sealed.
Oh my!
Yes, baby. Not only that.
Okay.
You remember the Meridia collaboration deal?
Yes.
Signed and sealed.
That's amazing, baby. 2 deals in one day. Come here. Congrats, my baby. Congrats.
Yes, my love. Look at that. Yeah, so I bought you these. This is for you.
Okay.
Yes, and this is for Sabi. By the way, where is she?
She should be somewhere around the house. Yeah. So, baby, what did you buy for her? These things are really expensive. You bought this for her?
Baby, this is nothing. This is just a few clothes and shoes to keep her going. Excuse me. Sabi? What are you doing?
Good evening, sir.
And why are you the one washing my clothes?
Answer. So, my Belle said that she was there.
What? Come. How could you give her all those clothes to wash? Sabi, have you eaten? Holy Moses, how could you starve her and then give her all those clothes to wash?
Starve? Did you say starve? Sabi, why would you lie now, eh? Why would you lie to my husband? I told this girl to specifically tell me when she is hungry so I can give her something to eat, eh? These clothes are really expensive. But she didn't tell me. And she was the one who said she wants to wash, that's the only way she can feel very useful. Monty, sorry. Useful in this house. So, when she kept insisting, I didn't have a choice. I had to allow her. This is really pricey. These clothes are nice. Open your mouth and tell my husband what you said now.
Sabi, you don't have to overwork yourself to be useful. Is that understood? Let today be the first and last you engage yourself in such strenuous jobs or chores again. The housekeeper will soon resume, okay? Please, honey, make something for her to eat.
Definitely. Since she wants to eat now, I'll give you food next time. Tell auntie you want to eat. I'm your auntie.
Oh, and I bought you.
Baby, relax now. Am I not the woman of the house? I will give her these things. This one is so fine. This one will wait till Christmas.
Honey, Christmas? This is just January. Christmas, you...
Honey, you know this is a little girl. I don't want her to mess this clothes up. Let us start with the dark color. Hold this one. It's like, you want to eat, eh? Oh, our baby. Come here, come my baby, come, so that we can give you food. Go and wait at the dining, eh? See, take a seat. You want it? You want serious? Come and collect it, let me see. Hey honey, I'm coming, oh! Let me fix your pretty daughter up. Baby! What are you doing?
I'm watching television.
You're watching television. On whose permission? Eh? That you would sit down comfortably on my couch and relax watching television. Where you came from, do you own a TV? Talk more watching it. Are you done cleaning this house?
No, Sir said I should not do anything.
Indeed. Indeed. Now you listen. You will go outside. You will clean everywhere. If you see pin, a drop of it, lift it, pick it up, sweep everything. If I come outside and I notice that there is any place that is dirty, I will beat you up. After beating you up, I will throw you out of this premises if you dare open your mouth to tell my husband anything. Do you understand? Yes. What did I say you should do?
I should clean everywhere.
Good. Come on, move. Come on, move. Come, drop that. Come on, move. You're watching TV. That's your parents' fault.
What did you just say?
I sent her out. I did what was best for us.
You are mean. Ebelle, you did what was best for you and not for us. Who does
Babe,
that?
Babe, see, it's not that serious now.